Hello friends, do you think that your Wi-Fi is slow? Do you experience ping problem while playing games, or it takes more time to download some software from internet? Slow Wi-Fi gives huge trouble to regular internet user. Then how can we increase our Wi-Fi speed? How to make Wi-Fi faster than before? Well, in this video we are going to share some ideas that obviously can help you to make your Wi-Fi faster than before. So without getting any delay, let's get started into video. First of all, I will show you my Wi-Fi speed. So for that we will be using WiFi speed test. So let's open the app. Now let me start speed test. From this we got 1 Mbps download speed and 19 Mbps upload speed. So we are going to increase these speeds. For that you guys need to download one application called Wifi Analyzer. After you download, open that app, and after you open you will get some information regarding the Wi-Fi that is connected with your phone. Read others' information by yourself. Here I will be only showing how to increase Wi-Fi speed. So for that, click on three lines located on left up corner. Then click on channel rating. After that you will see some green and some red stars with channel number on side. The channel which have highest number of star, that channel provide you faster Wi-Fi speed. So just look up where there is showing some information about your Wi-Fi. There is also showing to which channel your Wi-Fi is connected. See your channel number and change it if your Wi-Fi is running on poor star channel number. So for changing channel number, open your browser and go into your Wi-Fi login page. This is TP-Link Wi-Fi, so I will log in through this URL. Different Wi-Fi has different login page, so log in accordingly. After you log in, you will see your Wi-Fi home page accordingly. This is TP-Link Wi-Fi home page. Now you need to find option called wireless. In my case, it is located here. Click on that and again click on basic settings. Then you will get option called channel. Click on that and select the channel that have highest star rating that you have seen before from Wifi Analyzer app. After you have done, click on save and your Wi-Fi may be disconnected for a while. After it is reconnected, go and see your Wi-Fi speed. Now let me also show my Wi-Fi speed, whether it has improved its speed or not. And yes, it has finally increased my Wi-Fi speed. Change your Wi-Fi channel frequently by following these steps if your connected Wi-Fi channel goes into low star rating. So this is how you can increase your Wi-Fi speed. If you found this video interesting, then give this video with like and subscribe our channel for more upcoming like this video.